It's your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys my Google ad update with Digistore24. See how much I made within the last 2 days. I forgot to shoot the video yesterday, so I'm gonna show y'all from yesterday's profits and today's profits. Let's get it. So today, as you can see, my Google Ads account, October 24th, Sunday. Spent $104 today. Log into Digistore. Now we put it back from yesterday, October 23rd through the 24th. Spent about $169 total for the past 2 days. 42 clicks, cost per click $4. If you go look at my last 2 days, yesterday and today, 217 plus 437 would be 217 plus 437, 654 minus 169, 45 in profit in the past 2 days. So as you can see, this campaign is in good profits. It's just the last 2 days profit. It's not even for the whole week. It's just the last 2 days. So right now we're in good profit. For the week we was in profit the whole week. I just don't feel like going back right now because I'm kind of tired. Just getting back from a mini vacation. Let's see. Meanwhile, I'm gonna need you guys to like, subscribe, comment. You guys have a good night. So I'm gonna show you guys the payout account for my next payout expected on not next week but the week after next. My next payout will be November 7th, about $1,700 so far for the whole week. So if you go back to the last 7 days, just how much we made total, profit. I said we made at least $700 to $800 that week profit. So yeah, still running good. Everything's still looking good. If you guys want me to shoot another video, let me know in the comments what kind of video you want me to make. Do you want me to make another ClickBank video, Digistore24 video, what you need questions about, and how things work?